In order to set up a bank account in Spain, the bank will want to see a tax return and they want to see a utility bill. And if you were born in a non-European country, Middle East, etc., they may want to see you in person. Okay, most of the bank accounts we will set up with using a power of attorney. So the power of attorney is signed either in your home country before a notary or a Spanish consulate, or before a notary here in Spain. We would submit the power of attorney to the bank with the NI number. The client would then submit their tax return and a utility bill and a copy of their passport, and then the bank account is opened. Obviously, the bank would send the client the banking contracts. Nowadays, all banks tend to have a banking app, so they would send them the internet contract, the client account contract, and the client would have to print those documents, sign them, and return them to the bank. Some banks have digitalized that process. You can do it online, which is great. Others, it's still required to print, sign, and return to the bank. But basically, we open bank accounts for our clients in Spain with the power of attorney and the NI number. You do not need to be a resident in Spain to open a bank account. So in effect, a bank will ask you that question. Do you intend to live in Spain and become a resident here? And if you don't, then they'll in effect open a non-resident bank account for you. And typically banks will charge, there's no free banking in Spain, so they will charge for that bank account. And typically you're looking at anywhere between 70 and 140 euros per year for the bank account. However, if you put certain amount of monies into your bank account per month, depending on the bank, and use your credit card or debit card to go spending in Spain, there might be no charges at all. We would recommend that you do set up a Spanish bank account in order to buy a Spanish property. Why? Mainly because once the property purchase has been completed, us as lawyers at My Law in Spain, we would set up direct debits for you. So if you bought an apartment, then we would set up payment of the community fees out of your bank account. We'd set up a direct debit for town hall rates, for water, electric, internet, etc. And generally speaking, all the service and utility companies in Spain prefer to deal with a Spanish bank.